invite you in for good times. Cafe, a social gathering place for all. Join the group. Bring a date. Have a drink. Artisanal handcrafted pizzas and a full cafe look. Great food, great people, great fun. 24 hours a day. Start here, end here. Morongo, good times.
When it comes to health coverage, it helps to have someone in your corner. That's why Discover California, we're the only place where you can get financial help to pay for your health insurance. Here this year, almost 1 million people could receive additional financial help from the state to help lower the cost of health insurance. More for those already getting it, and new help for many who haven't gotten help before. So check to see how much you can save. It only takes 5 minutes. The last day to enroll is January 31st, so get covered today.
This captured not too long ago. When you look at Staples Center and across the street, we're remembering Kobe Bryant, who passed away earlier today just north of Los Angeles in Calabasas, along with his daughter. And an emotional scene for sure. Just across the street, the Grammys take place here tonight. But right now, everybody thinking about Kobe Bryant.
Probably the one word that jumped out at me was disbelief. I heard it used the first time. Just had a hard time getting a handle that this could happen at this young age to this great person.
Eric Gordon at the free throw line after being fouled on a three-point shot. First do return to Los Angeles here tonight. As I mentioned it, it will be a Laker home game on Tuesdays when the Clippers and Lakers battle for the third time this year. Patterson open for three and knocks in his second three in his first quarter.